Hello, if you're looking for a perfect, small, and cute box cutters, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with these cutters so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. These cloud-shaped retractable box cutters are not just adorable, but also super practical. I love them so much, and let me share with you why. Look at that. It slices your tape like butter. No more struggling to open boxes. This little guy gets the job done. And what I love the most is this button right here. You can hold it down to retract the blade in and out, or press it firmly, and the blade stays out for continuous cutting. No need to keep your finger in it the whole time. How convenient is that? Okay, this is actually kind of fun. Whether you're crafting, cutting out coupons, or just need a quick slice, this box cutter is a game changer. And they come in 3 pack, so you can keep one in your bag, one at your desk, and maybe even gift one to a friend. Plus the little hole at the top make it so easy to attach your keychain so you always have it on hand. Overall, if you are always dealing with packages, mail, or even just little cutting tasks, this fun and unique cloud-shaped box cutter may be a good fit for you or your loved one. I love how cute they are, and I highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.